Sin of all sins, I didn't have the camera ready. Nothing smoked though. Look at that, it started by itself. This is full wave pulse. The rubbing noise is actually inside the motor itself from me mucking around with the commutator so much. Let's let it go all the way down. Then I'll explain what's going on here. Yeah, you can tell there's a big difference between having just one pulse and two pulses. Because that's almost as slow as it'll go. I probably won't take it apart and fix that noise, just because I think this is the end of as far as I wanted to go with this motor. I need to explain what I'm doing here, but I just wanted to get a picture of it running. I've got the Nano plugged into the computer, and 10 volts is running the FETs and the FET drivers. In order to go to a higher voltage, I'm going to have to put a gonna have to do something, maybe voltage regulators or something. What I noticed on these, they actually have 2 voltage regulators, and it makes me wonder, because, well, this will use 5 volts max, but these little drivers, they're rated for 20 volts, but I put 18 volts on them and blew them up. So I don't know, I think I'll have to limit it probably to 12 or 15 volts. I'll mess around with that, but I'll give an explanation of this whole thing in a minute. It's cranking away there. Let's see if I can stick my finger in it. Cucumbers. Cucumbers. Yeah, cool as cucumbers. Oops. So they're not getting hot. Got 10 volts driving it right now. I would just love to put my little lithium batteries on there. I think I've got 24 volt lithium batteries. I may try putting 12 volts on it and see how it does. But it's humming away there. Okay, let me explain this.